Okay, now this board is for content planning for social media and calendar. And I do a card for daily posts and I put the dates here and I've got all the content that I want to plan for that week in that week. And I put the dates in there and everything. And then here I've got a completed one that I drag it into when I've completed it. This first column is ideas, things that I can use to plan out content for my social media. This one's another one of content ideas, and then I've got a second daily post that I can keep going for 2 weeks or so. And then these are also a couple more drops for ideas and things like that. So this I started doing for a client of mine, and I loved the idea behind it because she loved using Trello, and it worked well for me scheduling her social media for her. So I started doing it for myself. So this is how I schedule out all my posts and plan what I'm going to do for the week or 2 weeks. And then I use Facebook Meta Business Suite to drop it in there and schedule it out so I don't have to worry about scheduling it every day. All right, there you go.